Day 10 of the Asian Games started on a spectacular note as the Indian duo of Arjun Singh and Sunil Singh Shalam won a bronze medal in the men's Canoe Double 1000 m final. It was the first ever medal for India in canoe's sprint at the Asian Games and India's first medal in the sport since the 1994 Asian Games. The Indian duo finished third, clocking a time of 3.53.29. The Uzbekistan duo of Shokmurdod Kholmuradov and Nurishlam Ukli finished first, 9.533 seconds ahead of the Indian pair. In the second place was the Kazakhstan duo of the brothers Timofey Yemelanov and Sergei Yemelanov. Earlier, in the 1994 edition of the Hiroshima Asian Games, India had won bronze in the event with C.G. Sadanandan and Johnny Rommel etching their names in the history books. While Sunil is a 24-year-old and from Moirang in Bishnupur district of Manipur, 16-year-old Arjun is from Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh, but now he has shifted to Roorkee, Uttarakhand. Sunil, who is competing in only his second Asian Games after the 2018 edition, said the bronze share nullified the disappointment at Jakarta. In 2018, we could have won a medal in the same event, but things went haywire after my partner got sick on the day of the competition. We competed but could not do our best. Now it's second time lucky for me, Sunil said after the event. Arjun said he couldn't have asked for a better result in his maiden Asian Games. It's a dream come true for me, and also we are only the second medalist. Medal in my first Asian Games. I can't ask for more. My mother will be really happy, he said.